Good morning students. Today we are going to start third class term 2 English subject. So our first poem is A Donkey. Before going to the poem, you can see here a small donkey. So now we will see the poem. I saw a donkey one day old. So here I means a poet. So the poet is saying that I saw a donkey one day old. So one day the poet saw a donkey. His head was too big for his neck to hold. So his means the donkey head was too big to hold, too big for his neck to hold. So the donkey's neck was very thin. So because of the neck, because of the head was too big, it is very risk to hold the donkey on his neck. His legs were very shaky and long and loose. So the donkey is very old. Old means young means the donkey is young. Young means a small donkey. So because the donkey is small, his legs were very shaky and long and loose. So shaky means the shivering and long and very loose the donkey's legs are. So they rocked and staggered and were not much used. So again the poet is saying that the donkey's legs was very shaky and long and loose. They rocked and staggered. Rocked means move from one side to side, and staggered means were not strong or steady. So here the poet is saying that the donkey's legs were rocked and staggered. So they move from one side to side, but they are not strong or steady to stand or ready to stand, and they are not much used, so that the donkey cannot walk properly. His clear little coat was soft and grey. So here little coat means his body. So the clear little coat was soft and grey. So again the poet is saying that the donkey's color is grey, and the upper layer of the body is very soft and it is of grey color and curled at his neck in a lovely way. So here you can see this is a neck, and on the neck the hairs were curled on, and it is in a lovely way. The poet is describing the donkey. He looked so little and weak and slim. So the poet is again saying that the donkey looked so little and the donkey is so weak and so slim means very thin. I prayed the world might be good to him. So because the donkey looked so little, so small and weak and slim, the poet is praying that the world might be good to him. The world might be good to him, and the world means the people might be good towards the donkey. So that also the people should not harm them. The poet is praying. So I hope you have understood this poem. So try to start reading along with me. I saw a donkey one day old. His head was too big for his neck to hold. His legs were shaky and long and loose. They rocked and staggered and were not much use. His clear little coat was soft and grey and curled at his neck in a lovely way. He looked so little and weak and slim. I prayed the world might be good to him. So I hope you have understood this poem. Thank you.